welcome to my channel. I have a friend mail kind of mini haul. These are things that my friend Patricia at Finding My Tiara and also Lisa at It's Me Lisa G. Yeah, I had to think what her last name was. They both sent me some things. One, Lisa had a contest and I ended up winning it because she, like me, just picks a random person from the comments, and she picked my comment. And then Patricia, I have sent her a whole bunch of samples over the last year for her sample Saturday, or sample Monday, sorry. I'm Saturday, she's Monday. And I always have her linked at the bottom of my sample videos. So she sent me a few things to say thank you. I actually think she sent me back one of the things I sent her, which is kind of funny. That's actually this, the Purity Made Simple Cleanser, which I will definitely use. I really do like this cleanser, but I don't, like, these are the type that I don't use quite as fast as the other ones because I let them sit around. And then she sent me, she had two of these. This is, or yeah, she had two of them and she didn't like it, so she sent it to me, which is good because I actually really enjoy this one. Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. It smells super nice. It smells like watermelon. I really like it. Or pineapple, not watermelon. And then she sent me a couple of things in this little thing. This is from Glow Recipe because I have oily combo skin and that's what it says. It is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And it looks like you just push it out, which is nice so it stays sterile. And then she sent me one of these, trying to get it out. It is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And that's what it looks like. And I need to make sure I use it up because that stuff can dry out pretty darn fast. And then she was doing her declutter and there was a couple things and she asked me if anything I wanted, and I was like, you know what? I don't really have anything from Juvia's Place. So she sent me the Nubian 2, and I will be sterilizing these. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. And this is what it looks like. I really like the little mini Juvia's Place one that I got in my Allure box, but there's some pretty shades in here. We'll swatch a couple of them. They're kind of crazy colors, but interesting. Anyway, just something a little different and not something that I have in my collection already. And then the other one she sent me was the Nikki Tutorials Too Faced palette, which is the Power of Makeup. And I wasn't even into makeup when this came out. I love that she kept the plastic sleeves too. So it has two blushes, which I love these blushes. I've used them a lot. The bronzer and highlighter, and then some pretty nice colors. I love Too Faced shadows. Like, they're so pretty. We'll swatch a few of them. Yep, exactly what I was expecting because they're very consistent in their shadows. All right, and then we're gonna move on to the giveaway prizes. I didn't, I took them out of the box because I put them in a makeup bag and then I needed the makeup bag for something, so they're kind of just sitting in a pile right now. But the largest one here is from Pixie. It is the Dolce's Lip Candy. Okay, it's a lip palette. There are 9 shades there. I'm not gonna swatch them because I go through lip palettes so infrequently that I don't want to open one because I have 2 Urban Decays that are still open that I need to use up. So yeah, once those are gone, then I'll use that one unless a friend that lives by me is like, hey, are you going to use that? I want it. And then I'll be like, sure, you can have it. Jam and Roses from Produce for Your Face Hand and Body Lotion. It smells quite rose-like. It actually kind of reminds me, I just bought some things from Lush for the first time because I was walking by a Lush store and I had gotten some of the rose for my aunt and she decided she didn't like it. So that will be interesting to try, actually. Trying to decide where to put this so that I keep straight. Then we have something from I have no idea. It's washi tape, I believe. I'm not a crafter, so I know I've seen it, and I think it's called washi tape. I have some very crafty friends though that I probably will give to because they like go to Michael's and Hobby Lobby all the time. Then we have some little nails from Impress. These are red and then some gold sparkles. They do have a coupon on the back as well. Then we have this lotion. It's a self-tanning by Jergens. I have a friend who will definitely use that, and I noticed another thing in here. She loves self-tanner, and I give her all of my self-tanner every time I get one. This is from L'Oreal. This is the Sublime Bronze Tinted Self-Tanning Lotion. She will use those and get good use out of them. I just don't tan. I'm happy being super pale. Like, that's just my lot in life, and I've learned to accept it. Then we have Panda's Dream Rose Hyaluronic Face Cream from Tony Moly. That's very exciting. I will look forward to trying that. I love Tony Moly. Then this is Stix Cosmetics. It's a tangerine lipstick. Get those scissors out so that I can open. It's a very odd packaging. Oh my goodness, very odd. That's what it looks like. And then, oh my gosh. That doesn't seem very conducive to using it. How does it? But there's also like a thing there. Does it move? Does it turn? Maybe it turn. I have no idea. That's what it is. I'm gonna look up how to use that because I don't want to ruin that. That's crazy. All right. Next up is the Pampery Cupcake Bath Fizz. That's really cute. It looks like a little cupcake. That you can't see. Why did I turn it that way? There you go. Now you can see it. Very nice. I haven't yet tried a bath bomb, but I should probably. And then it looks like I got a couple pairs of earrings from Paparazzi. Lainey, our friend Lainey, was selling Paparazzi jewelry for a while. I'm not sure if she still is. She hasn't been doing the lives anyway, which is how I remember to look. But they're cute. I will pass those along to a friend who can wear earrings because I don't have pierced ears. I wanted them, and then when I got old enough to pay for them, I was like, yeah, there's other things I want to pay for that I'd rather have. And now I'm like, I don't have time for jewelry. I barely wear the stuff I have already. All right, next is Color Be, the Future of Color. And it looks to be a nail polish. Ooh, that's a very dark, vampy maroon shade. That's really pretty. I've never heard of this brand, so that's interesting. I do love nail polishes. I have way more than I need, that's for sure. Then we have Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick. This is in the shade Lovesick. I will give this to a friend because I do have a full size of this, or I have this shade already. It is really pretty, and I really do enjoy her formula. I know some people don't, but I think it's nice, and I think this is a great color. But like I said, I already have it, so I don't need another one because there's only so much lipstick I can wear. Then we have a fan brush from Billion Dollar Brushes, and that's what it looks like. Pretty nice. So I don't think I have something like that, so put that in my brush collection, which is gigantic. Then we have this little head wrap from Nightmare Before Christmas. That's really cute. That'll be great for Halloween. And then we have Blooming Opal by Talia Sodi. I have seen these on the Macy's site, but I have never tried any of her perfumes, so I'll be excited to try that. Yeah, different. Then we have a Baby Lips Moisturizing Lip Gloss from Maybelline. And I've talked about lip glosses so much on this channel, you guys already know what's gonna happen to that one and then to this one. This is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss, which I know some people really, really like. All right, next up is a liquid highlighter from Beauty Creations, Unicorn Tears. Ooh. I'm not gonna open it because I have some other liquid highlighters open right now, and there's only so much that I can open and use at a time, and they stay better if they haven't been opened, so I'm gonna leave it unopened. Then we have Fluff Piece from NYX. This is, oh, it got a little smushed on the top. That happens so often. Let's see, this is a matte lipstick from NYX. Oh my goodness, that is a very cotton candy kind of pink shade. Then we have Jelly Bean Lip Scrub from Pretties for Your Face. Yet again, here's another one from that brand that I've been interested in trying. It does smell like jelly beans, and it's purple. That will be exciting. I don't want to like mess up my lipstick right now because I do have lipstick on. Oh, and I got another one of the Panda's Dreams. That's really exciting because that gives me a better idea. Then this is Vital Vita 12. It is a Synergy Ampule C from Tony Moly. I love vitamin C. This one, I don't need a C right now, so it's going to be buried so that it stays dark because that's how you keep your vitamin C's. Then we have a coloring eye pencil from Illamasqua. This is in the shade Honor. And it looks to be a brown shade. I'm not going to swatch it because I am trying to use up what I have and not open any more eyeliners right now because if you've noticed, I don't wear eyeliner very much. And then last thing in here are very exciting. These are Too Faced Mini Liquid Lipsticks, Melted Matte. This is the shade Cinnamon Bear, and this is the shade Sugar Cookie. These were the holiday set. And let's see. Okay, so that's a nice nude. They smell very sweet. They smell like the ones that they do at the holidays. These tend to last longer than the other ones. They do have different scents to them too. Oh my gosh, that is such a pretty color. All right, and that's what that one looks like. So thank you so much, Lisa and Patricia. I really am excited to use some of these things and just share the love with some of these things because what's the point of makeup if you can't share with friends and family? So I'm excited because I know some people and some really good friends will be excited for some of these things. I'm excited for some of these things too. There's certain things that there's no way I'm going to share because sometimes I'm selfish. I try to share though as much as possible. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not checked out either Lisa or Patricia's channels, they will be linked down below so that you can show them some love too. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.